Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gates 3 Designs and I'm back with another episode. So today here I have this glass with wine in it, but I'm going to apply some Thea Render 2.0 textures, specifically the thin glass for the glass itself. I'm going to apply the aqua texture here for the liquid and we'll see what we get. So right now let's go ahead and do a rendering to see what we have already. So you see here, whatever texture was used to create this model, doesn't come out pretty good. It doesn't give you a glass texture at all. And you can see the solid in here. It kind of just looks like a solid piece of something in there. So let's just go ahead and add some Thea Render texture and then see what we get. So we added the glass texture and the water texture, and we're just going to go ahead and see what rendering we get. So after our final rendering, this is what we get here. Really nice texture, and if you turn on the glare, that's how you get that reflection there, that glare there. See, that one has 6 blades. You can change it to 8 blades, 12 blades, or you can just show it as radial, and it'll give you like a radial fog around the light that still lets off a reflection. But you can see here, this is a Thea Render thin glass. This is the aqua texture. So came out pretty well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.